everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do an unboxing as well as share some just arrived pieces with you. I'm very excited because I can't wait to start using it. And of course, there is the Chanel handbag unboxing, as the title suggests. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. If you have seen my recent Come Shopping With Me, the 24K Chanel collection, you would have seen a lot of pieces that I was looking at, and yes, I did pick something up. If you're interested in other pieces that were in the collection that was at my local boutique, then I will list that link below so that you can take a look. It's a very short video. Today I will be unboxing that bag, which I am very excited to start using, but I do want to share something with you because all of these items are very luxe and I thought they would go very well together understated. So I have already unboxed them. They are actually on this rack right here. These are beautiful silk pieces from SilkSilky, which I've actually already unboxed. It came in this. There's actually a little gift bag in here as well, so if you order from them, you can gift it to other people. They come with tissue paper, little ribbons. I selected a few things to share with you here. I'm so happy SilkSilky sent these for me to review, but I already know I love it because maybe 3 years ago now, I've worked with them and their pieces are to die for. So today I have been sent this beautiful eye mask. This one is adjustable, as I don't know if you can see, but it has like a little elastic band, but it is adjustable, so it fits really nicely. It is so plush. Some silk eye masks are very thin, but this one is very fluffy and just soft, and all of the pieces I'm going to show here are 100% mulberry silk. So it is the highest level, 6A, which means it is the longest fiber, non-toxic dyes. It's just really good all around. So I was also sent this beautiful scrunchie as well, which, oh my gosh, just look at that. Even if I don't wear it in my hair, it looks beautiful. But silk is great for your skin. It's breathable, and it's also great for your hair because it doesn't create breaks. And so you have better skin and better hair. But the most striking pieces I wanted to share with you are actually here. I picked out 2 new sets of pajamas, which I guess you could do loungewear, but oh my gosh, look how beautiful they are. You can kind of see the shimmer as I move it in the light. This set is actually long cropped, but on me, I'm 5'1". The cropped items are generally more full length. So let me show you what these look like on. Oh my goodness. I feel so refreshed just popping these on. I love this set. I will include moss shots here so that you could see it better. But like I said, I am quite petite. I'm 5'1", and so you can kind of see that the cropped-ish version of the pajamas loungewear is just perfect length on me. So if you are 5'1", around that height, 155 centimeters, definitely consider this set as like long pajamas. Like I said, I do love the silk cover buttons. Everything here feels like a blue cloud pastel piece, and it looks really pretty with this eye mask as well. I had an old set about 3 years ago, which I featured here, and it is a different shade of blue. It's more gray blue, now you can see it. But I just wanted to share with you how beautiful this is, even though I've worn it for like about almost 3 years now. I don't wear it every day, but over the 3 years, I'd say I bring this on vacation quite a bit. You can kind of see my posts here. But yeah, they do quite well. I machine wash mine in a laundry bag, one of those delicate baggies, and I hang dry them, and they're so beautiful. They're so durable and just so luxe. This one comes with a pair of shorts, so this one's super cute as well. The other set that I received this time around is this beautiful coffee colored one. They do come with a little tag, which I did not cut off of this one just yet, but I will. But look how beautiful this is. Again, it shimmers in the light. It feels amazing. It is also temperature regulating, so you won't get too hot or too cold. And like I said, it has great benefits for your skin. So this one comes with a little pair of shorts. I love the piping. So cute. They all come in many different colors, which I'll pop onto the screen here so that you can see it. And they're all on sale right now. So this cute short set is less than $100. Plus I have an extra 10% off code that I'll list right here. Actually, I'll link it in the description box below. I'll link all of these in the description box below so that you can take advantage of it. But they are amazing gifts as well. So like this cute eye mask you can get for less than $20, and it's an amazing gift. In fact, I think it'll be really good for like bachelorette parties, and how cute would that be? Let me pop on this other set and show you what that looks like. Guys, this set is just as beautiful as the last. Oh my goodness, I love it. I will link this below. I highly recommend it. It is so good. SilkSilky has been around since 2012, so you can trust that their products are good. And they just have so many new styles and colors to choose from. There is something for everyone. Let's put this on. Ooh, love it. Look how cute. This little hair tie right here is so adorable. I got it in this like pink mauve color. This is actually only like $10, so it's amazing for just bringing a little luxury in your life if you don't want to commit to like a full set of pajamas. But honestly, these last so long, and SilkSilky's goal is to give you a better night's sleep, and I feel like all of these pieces definitely add to a better quality of life. If you're interested, I will link all of these pieces below. Like I said, a bunch of these are less than $100 plus my 10% off code off of the sale price. You can save quite a bit. Would love to hear what you think of silk pajamas. All right, I think I love these so much. I'm gonna continue with unboxing my Chanel handbag in this. I hope that's okay. I know this is not very conventional, but I mean, it is luxe, right? So it goes with this whole video. All right, let's go ahead and get unboxing. As you can see, this is a Chanel box. Handbag, I already said. I don't know if you can guess based on my come shopping with me video what this is. If you have seen my 24B come shopping with me, I was very disappointed with the quality of the handbags, but I am happy to say that the 24K collection, which is the Fall Winters Act 2, the handbags are all much better. So I was kind of worried that, you know, all of the handbags will be bad from here on out, but this collection proved to not be the case, which I am thankful for. There is a little care booklet in here, which I'm sure you've seen before, so I'm not going to get into that. And any final guesses? It is a tiny thing, so let's see. I fell in love with this once I saw it in person, and there was just no way I was leaving the store. It is the newest size, the mini flap. I don't know what they're calling it now, but it is smaller than the mini rectangular flap. It is in this beautiful light blush pink. In the Come Shopping With Me video, I did show this with a beige color, which I love. The beige color I wanted to get as well, but I just couldn't do both. Anyway, I ended up picking this one up. This one is in the color Rose Claire. It is so cute. I've been looking for a pink Chanel bag, and actually I saw the Rose Claire, I think earlier this year, but it was in a much bigger bag, and as much as I loved it, it was too risky to get it in the lambskin. This is also lambskin. It's so buttery soft, and oh, here we go, close up. I am going to remove the stickers. So this bag is new for this season. I don't believe they did this size before, but it is very popular because it is tiny but cute. It's got the, you know, all of the features that you would see in a mini rectangular flap. It does have the little code scanner, RFID, I forgot what they called it there. And there is a long chain here and a back pocket right here. The inside has a slip pocket right there, as well as a zipper pocket in the very back. As you can see, it is leather lined in the back pocket. Both back pockets are leather lined, and the entire bag is also leather lined. The chain strap is very thin. It is thinner than the usual mini rectangles, which I have right here. So let me just, I have the Zumoni protector to prevent creases of the chain onto this bag, but you can see that this chain right here, which is the mini rectangular, let me compare it against the new mini size. So you can see that it is not necessarily half the size, but it's definitely a lot thinner. All right, so can we see? Yeah, I think you can see that. Yep. So yeah, in terms of size, I will also put these next to each other so that you can see. Mini rectangular is taller, and in terms of the across, you can see that it is long, it is a little shorter for the new size. And then in terms of the depth, you can also see that it is a little deeper on the original one. But otherwise, the dimension and the proportion is very, very similar. So it's like a little baby one. This is the mommy one. It's adorable. Like I said, this one is in the calfskin, iridescent calfskin. This one is in lambskin. And I also have the small flap right here, the classic flap in the small size. And you can see the difference in sizes right there as well. All right, so let's measure this chain now that it's free. This chain is fairly long when I tried it in stores. So let me just roughly tell you from the top to it's 23-inch drop. So on my height, and I'm 5'1", you'll see that crossbody, it actually fits quite well. So it's not as long as, say, the wallet on chain, but it is longer than the classic flap in the small size. So classic flap is only on one shoulder. If I crossbody the classic flap small, you can see how much shorter it is. It is comparable to the rectangle mini though. So you can see now if I have it both crossbody, it is maybe just like an inch longer than the rectangle mini. So the rectangle mini, if I wore it just on the shoulder, it hits me like you know, okay. But if I wear the new mini, it is like on borderline too long. But I don't really mind because I most likely will wear it crossbody. I've also been able to wear this as a backpack. I will insert some clips of me trying to do that here, and it looks so cute. It is just long enough to be able to do that as a backpack. I don't know if I would do that as, you know, a normal thing, but I thought that was kind of cute to just wear. Because the chain does go through the inside right here, you can shorten it by tying the chain or using one of the clips that you can buy on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll see if I could find that and list it below. But it is one of those clips where you can just shorten it and then keep it inside, and then the chain will shorten and you won't even notice it here. But if you are on the taller side, then that's not an issue. I think this does have a quite nice drop length. I did want to point out that the one on display on launch day, I noticed that there was like a little mark, almost like a scratch on the leather, which is unfortunate because it's so beautiful. So I asked to see a different one, and luckily they still had one in the back. I was one of the first people there, so this was the one that they brought out, and surprisingly, I compared it again next to each other, and even though they're both rose clair, there is slight difference in color. Not so much that if you wore it separately you would notice, but when you put it next to each other there is a difference. So I was surprised, my SA was surprised, because it's from the same collection, same leather type. You wouldn't expect that to happen, but it happens. So I just want to point that out. You might want to go check it out in person in case it varies and there is something you don't like about it. Lambskin is delicate, but I have had lambskin bags in the past, including this one right here. This is the Pearl Crush. They actually have the Pearl Crush again this season as well, but it's done well. So it does require a little bit more attention. I can't just, you know, toss it down. Not that I do anyway, but it is definitely something that I have in the back of my mind, like, oh, let me be a little bit more careful. And because this is a light color, I have to be even more careful. Like I said, all of the bags that I saw in the 24K collection at my local store was fine. All the leather, all of the hardware was beautiful. I didn't notice any issues with them. Besides the one that I, you know, saw a little scratch, but that was probably somebody trying it on and maybe nicked it. I don't know. All in all, I was very happy that I was able to see this one and also be able to get it. It is my first Chanel bag in a pink color, finally, in my collection. I do have other like lilacs and, you know, but they're lilac. They're purple, not pink. So finally. All right, so what are your thoughts? Are you gonna pick one of these guys up? I think they do also have this in the classic flap, which at the time I did not see it at my store, but I'm totally okay because I love this guy. Oh, let me show you. It does fit my phone. That was one of the big criterias. I have the Pixel 5, which is comparable to the iPhone, I guess. If you wanted to check online if your phone compares to the Pixel 5, you can check that, but as you can see, it does fit quite nicely with space on either end. So if your phone is a smidge longer or taller, it would still fit here, no problem. I will just quickly show you a card holder that I have. There's nothing in it, but even if it's a little bulkier, you could see that it'll still fit with a lot of extra space. And if you have a little lippy, you can also fit that right there. So this is kind of like the max I would say you can fit into this bag without, like, you know, pushing the leather out too much. So I also do want to take this all out and with the mini pochette just to show you for size. I don't think anyone should put a mini pochette in here just because this is already a small enough bag. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, just for size purposes, I will show you. So the mini pochette is now sitting, as you can see in here, and you can see that it sticks up, but because there is a little bit of a gap, you can put the mini pochette in here. So I would say you can fit the mini pochette in, but that's basically all you're gonna fit. So for size, I think you can just look at the mini pochette, and if it's the size of this, you can fit it in here. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my new mini bag. I also will be inserting mod shots of these beautiful silk pieces. Again, I am thinking so much. The wheels are turning in my head of doing this for like the bachelorette group. I don't know, it's just beautiful. Personally, I'm going to use it myself right now through the winter, the summer. It regulates temperature really well, so I never get too hot or too cold in it. And again, they're so lightweight, they're perfect for traveling. Just imagine bringing like a little piece of luxury to slip into, and you're at the hotel. It's just amazing. I do have a 10% off code for these. I will list it below along with the links. These are all currently on sale, so definitely take advantage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!